Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Aris Lagari. I will report about bilging and permeability. Bilging and impermeability are important topics in ship stability. This help us understand what happened when water enters a ship compartment because of damage. If a compartment is flooded, the stability of the ship can change and may become dangerous. This report explains the effect of bilging and permeability in a simple and easy way. What is bilging? Bilging happens when the hull of the ship is damaged and water enter a compartment. This may happen because of collision, grounding, or leakage. When seawater enters in the ship, the weight of the ship increases and the ship may sink deeper into the water. Effect of bridging and ship stability. The ship becomes heavier because of the water inside. The draft of the ship increases. The ship the ship may less or tilt to one side. Stability becomes lower and unsafe. Too much flooding may cause the ship to sink. What is permeability? Permeability is the amount of empty space inside a compartment but can be filled with compartment have with water after damage. Different compartments have different permeability values because of the cargo or equipment inside them. Examples of stability. Empty compartment equals 100%. Engine room 80 to 85%. Green cargo hold 60 to 65%. Coal filled compartment equals 35%. This means that empty space can hold more water, while compartments with cargo have less space for water. Effects of permeability on the ship's stability. Higher permeability means more water can enter the compartment. More water inside causes greater loss of buoyancy. The ship may become unstable faster. Lower permeability reduces the amount of flooding. That's all. Thank you.
Importance in ship safety. Understanding bilging and permeability is important for marine officers and crew members. It helps them calculate damage stability and prevent accidents at sea. Proper watertight compartments and quick response during flooding can help save the ship and the lives of people on board. Bilging and permeability greatly affect the stability of a ship. When water enters damaged compartments, the ship can lose balance and stability. Permeability determines how much water can enter a space. Therefore, good ship design and proper safety procedures are very important to avoid sinking and accidents. Thank you.